Hey everyone, congratulations on making it through another year of photography courses and assignments. I do really hope you guys got some good feedback from me this year, and I also hope that you guys participated in as many of these, hopefully all of them, as you could. So, this is your last assignment for the year. Pick your 10 best photos from this year and make them into an album. No more than 10. No more. You don't even get to pick one from each month. 10 best. Limit yourself to 10. The goal of this assignment is going to be to teach you to be hard on your work, highly critical of your own creative output. Be judgmental and harsh. Pick the top 10. Make an album, and then analyze it to see what works and what doesn't. Why were you drawn to those top 10 photos? What made them the best for you? This assignment should teach you to be a good judge of your work's quality, as well as to see what aspects of your work you do well. The outcome should be that you are better at identifying your work and better at recognizing your photographic strengths. Focus on improving those strengths while working a bit to improve your weaknesses too. Making your strengths stronger will yield better dividends for you creatively than trying to be great at something you're just not wired for. And it's okay to have some aspects of photography be ones at which you do not excel, as long as you recognize it and focus on investing where there's a good payoff for you. That's the assignment. This is a very important one because it is vital that you know where to expend your energy. We all have a limited amount of time that we can spend on this in our lives. If you're a professional, you have more. If you're a hobbyist, you have less. Does not matter which camp you fall into. Prioritize your time on what you are good at and become exceptional at it. Spend a little bit of time, not as much, on what you are bad at. Become a little bit better at it. And the reason is, if you become exceptional at the thing that you are already good at, you will be more in demand for that. If you become above average at everything, you're just going to be, well, not all that in demand, are you? So, this exercise seeks to help you recognize what you're good at, help you understand why you are drawn to those things, and to help you decide what you're going to invest your time in improving in. Thank you everyone who made it through all of Photography 201. Please drop me an @ on Instagram or Imgur so that I can see your final portfolios and comment on them for sure. And someday I'll make a Photography 301 and I'll see you back here for that.